Hi everyone, good evening. My full name is Nelson Eduardo Perdomo Bautista. Today I want to tell you about the most important elements about pronunciation in English. In this case, I want to explain two examples. The first one is the vowel. The second one is the consonant. In this case, I want to explain the structure and the pronunciation with the vowel, with the consonant, within vowel, within consonant. In this case, I want to explain the first one. For example, is the silent E. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 examples. Yeah. If you don't add the vowel E in this case, plan, team, cap, hope, to, tap, beat, cat, and rip. If you add the vowel E, in this case, this vowel don't have any sound, but the rule is the vowel, the vowel before and then that letter E, in this case, change the original structure sound. For example, plan, plane, team, time, cap, cape, hop, hope, tap, tube, beat, bite, cat, cute, rip, ripe. In this case, I want to explain that the vowel E is don't have any sound. I'm a little bit interesting that the vowel in this word sounds exactly individual vowel. It's interesting, yeah? And change the pronunciation, the structure word. This is the case I want to explain that example. The second example is the silent key, the consonant. Yeah? K. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 words in this case. I want to show you near. Knowledge in the knowledge. No, it sounds a little bit different, a little bit weird. Maybe knowledge. I don't say night. No, night. It is the past. This verb. New. In this case, nuskani, ni. In this case, nuskani, kneel. In this case, no, cano, no. In this case, knife, knife. In this case, knit, night. In this case, nope. In this case, cannot, not. Knuckle. In this case, knock. In this case, the first letter, the first consonant in that word, when in this example, these words you see here is the consonant key. Next is the consonant N. In this case, when the two words, it's both key, it sounds don't have any sounds. It's interesting. The first one and the second one, they have the exact lyric characteristics. This is an idea that I wanted to teach English, and for me and you have have the idea, have the knowledge to learn that English. It's important to show and listen that examples. Interesting to remember the rules. It's important to you. Thank you so much. Have you have a wonderful night. Thank you.